So we are just, conducting here a performances of our students. What is happening in our current affairs, and how, what they are learning, in which manner they are learning, and how they will be able to give their speech, and what's the method of speech. Okay, so what they have learned, what about their experiences towards this institution, towards the people. Whatever personally they wanted to share, they can share. Okay, so everybody will get a chance, a proper chance and an equal chance, where just to give their speeches and all these. So there is no meaning regarding that. You know tenses? Okay, what's your good name?
Shivani.
Shivani. Shivani, please. Your good name is Shivani. Okay, Shivani. What do you want to become in your life?
I become a lawyer.
You wanted to become a lawyer and you don't want to face camera. You wanted to become a lawyer. Lawyer? Okay. So why you have chosen this profession? I mean, why do you want to become a lawyer?
Because I like lawyers.
Because you like this profession? Because you like this profession? Okay. You wanted to become a lawyer, okay, because you like this profession. So, in which profession? Your father is working in which profession?
He is a serviceman.
He is a serviceman, okay. And your mom?
Housewife.
Housewife, okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother.
And? Okay, you have only one brother. So you have only one brother. Okay. Who loves you the most? I mean, your father or your mother? Dono. Okay. You came here to speak English. Are you getting good atmosphere here?
Yes.
Good atmosphere. Okay. So you are not as per the expectation, because before coming here, I think you dreamed something, right? तुमने कुछ सपने देखे होंगे कि यार मैं ये सब करूँगी, है ना? होता है ना? Before going somewhere, seriously, if I will go to institution in Ashwanagar or somewhere else in South, so I will dream something that this will be the institution or that kind of institution, in that kind of institution I will be studying and all these. So I will make a dream. So whatever you have dreamt earlier, that you will get that kind of atmosphere, you will meet with these kind of people, with these kind of people you will study. So you are getting the same atmosphere or something different? As far as understanding is concerned, you are understanding me 100%. Am I right? Okay. So why you are shivering? Okay. So again, you wanted to. You didn't get my question, or would I repeat it again? You didn't get my question? So हिंदी में explain करो ऐसा. आप जब यहाँ पे आए थे, यहाँ पे आने से पहले आपने कुछ सोचा होगा कि यार ऐसे लोग होंगे, ऐसे बातें होंगी, इन बंदों के साथ बैठूंगी, ऐसे बंदे के सामने बैठेंगे, ऐसे बंदे स्टडी करेंगे, तो वो सब है यहाँ पे नहीं?
लगता था, मतलब मैं इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा कमजोर हूँ, मुझे लगा कि यहाँ पे मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड स्टूडेंट होंगे, तो
ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब
नहीं ऐसा है, लेकिन
इन्होंने कैसे नहीं लगता है? मैं
सोचा वो मतलब बात नहीं करेंगे,
ओके,
बहुत अच्छे हैं सब लोग यहाँ पे.
Sumit is good? Sumit is good or not? He is not good. He is not good? You are not good.
Good.
He is good. Okay. Okay? Okay, sit down. Thank you. Please clap for me. भैया होमवर्क बाद में
मैं जाना नहीं तो सर ने क्या करते हैं.
Wow, participation simultaneously. The work is going on. Okay, Ganesh, Mr. Ganesh, please stand. It's my honor, pleasure and privilege to be here with you, Mr. Ganesh.
Thank you.
Okay. It's my honor, pleasure and privilege. Sumit, can you just tell me the meaning of this line? What's the meaning of this line? It's my honor, pleasure and privilege to be here with you, sir.
Means it's just your honor because it means that if
He's not able.
he's not, but you are just teasing him.
I'm not teasing him. Am I teasing you? Am I teasing you? Am I having, just hang on. Am I having that kind of attitude that I will tease somebody in a class in front of the camera? Is this right? Am I teasing you, Ganesh?
No.
So you're talking about Sumit. Sumit is having a dubious way just to describe anything, right? So this is wrong, you know. You are being double kind of.
No.
I'm teasing him. Stick with your words. I'm teasing him.
Yes.
I'm teasing him.
Yes, because firstly you said that it's my honor, pleasure and privilege
Yeah.
to with you. But now you are saying...
I would like to let you know one thing. Okay, I'm not saying this that it's your mistake, but the thing is, a person who will act like a rebel will go ahead as compared to those students who will not act like a rebel. The person who will challenge the authority, have a guts, have a confidence level to move ahead as compared to those students who can't challenge authority, who will go along with that time, will not use their creative part. That's why I said it's my honor, pleasure, privilege to be here with you, Mr. Ravi. Everybody has a shortcoming. I am also having a shortcoming. He is also having a shortcoming. He is also having a shortcoming. But it doesn't mean that I will see somebody later. The thing is that everybody is unique in their own. Is that clear? But the thing is very simple. That as far as Mr. Ganesh is concerned, Mr. Ganesh is having a rebellious attitude. So that's why I used to, it doesn't mean, he has to shortcomings also, he has to good also. But the thing is, the person who will act like a rebellion will go further, will move forward because he will work hard to become the best. Is that clear? But the person who will follow somebody will not work hard to become the best. He will follow. So that's why I said it's my honor, pleasure, and privilege. Okay? I made it to you clear now. I think so. Well, there was a misunderstanding which has created in your mind. I think because of the last screenshot in the evening. Okay? I think you got that. So please sit down. Okay, Mr. Ganesh. So just you are in the front of the camera. You have been learning here since last 4 months about the English language, regarding grammar, English, active SOS, nouns, everything. Okay. But the thing is, in the real manner, if I would say, in a grammar, you are standing somewhere, but categorically can I say this? That you wanted to do something, but you are not too much passionate towards that. It's the reality. Okay. You should think 90% and improve 10%. Okay, I will not explain it because it's not meant to be Please be on camera. Yes, Mr. Ganesh. What do you want to say? Regarding anything. Everything. Whatever you want.
In what manner?
In what manner? In English?
How to explain in that direction? How to speak in that direction?
Whatever you want, you to speak English.
What subject is
I will not direct you. You will direct yourself. Okay, so you will direct yourself. You will be directed by yourself. Nobody will direct you. Nobody will command you. Nobody will instruct you. Okay, I'm giving you the topic. Just tell us whatever you have done.
I have learned a lot of words of, but I am forgotten. I am also forgotten lots of, because I have not done exercise in their home. And not to regular comes in class.
Yes.
Completed.
So you are not regular in the class. You admitted that. You are not regular
Yes,
in the class.
admitted.
Okay. You are the best in you, right? You're the best.
What will I say? I am saying I am best because
See, whatever I have observed, I'm just talking about my observation because I used to observe everybody. So I observed this thing in the last 4 months in you particularly, that you know, like somebody is having an idol like a Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Bollywood stars, Bollywood celebrities, sports celebrities and all these. Okay, but you are best for yourself.
because I am not give to English language, learn English language. Only 20% I have because I have any other work.
What do
Because I have
you think about this atmosphere? I mean, is this friendly atmosphere for those persons who just want to become a learner? Just learn this particular language.
here is atmosphere is good. So, I am coming for to receive the atmosphere, and I have spent 1 hour, 2 hours in.
So whatever you have expected, have you got the thing?
I have expected some words. I have here and work hard and
No, you are not ready. आपने जो एक्सपेक्ट किया था, एक्सपेक्ट करने क्या होता है? वो मेरे को पूछा था कि जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, मैं एक चीज एक्सपेक्ट कर दूँ, मुझे कहीं जाना है, मुझे आर्किटेक्चर में आना है, ठीक है, मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर दूँ यार आर्किटेक्चर में बहुत अच्छा होगा, लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे, बातें बहुत अच्छी, मैंने ये चीज एक्सपेक्ट की, ठीक है, और उस साथ मुझे पॉजिटिव मिला। तो बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूशन है जहाँ पे आपको चीज सिखाई जाती है, वहाँ पे आप जो एक्सपेक्ट कर कह रहे हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है ना बंदे की, क्या मतलब एक्सपेक्ट कर कह रहे हैं, ड्रीम होती है ना, एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि यार बंदे ने पिक्चराइजेशन कर दिया, वहाँ पे ऐसा माहौल होगा, ये सब होगा, तो उसने आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, क्या वो आपको माहौल मिला? Have you got the correct answer? Have you got the same cooperation from your teachers, particularly me, from me? 50%. The remaining 50%, can you explain please?
no, I don't explain it.
Okay, so that is revealing your frustration. Remaining 50%. Okay, who is responsible for the remaining 50%? Am I?
No,
We are.
I don't want to discuss the remaining 50%.
You know comments on that?
No.
Okay, you are not giving the best performance. Okay, as expected, you are not giving your performance. You are not accountable for your performance because you are not giving that. So what I am saying is that I wanted to ask the last question to you. You are not a good performer in my class. I know about you. You are not a good performer. You are a performer. You have a confidence level. You gained a lot. Okay, but you are not a good performer because you are not doing hard work as per my understanding. I wanted to ask a last question and some would say a closing statement to you. I would like to ask you a closing statement regarding that. Regarding the last closing statement. According to you, your performance is not coming. As per my understanding, it's about because of your money. As per your understanding, who is responsible for this? Be honest. I will not say. You know about this. I will not react honestly because you are too much honest.
Firstly, myself.
Okay. And then?
Because before I came, I think in 2 hours class I am learn lots of, and after reach home I don't मतलब मैंने ये सोचा था कि 2 घंटे की क्लास में अच्छे सीखूंगा, घर जाके मुझे अपने ही काम में बहुत सारे मैं उनको करूँगा, बट यहाँ तो आगे पता चला मेरा होमवर्क कुछ नहीं होगा, 2 घंटे की क्लास में कुछ नहीं होगा।
तो जो सोचा था वो गलत हो गया है।
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want
That will happen first time. Most of the things in our life happen first time. It's the first time of it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. हाँ जी सर जी। जाए तो कहा जाए। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, भेज देते हैं आपको। आपको जाना है ना? जल्दी बात करिए, जल्दी आओ, कौन सा नहीं है? जल्दी आओ। खुशी जी, आ जाओ। The most controversial woman. Okay. Apart from that, first woman. Okay. Please say. Yes, Mr. Sumit. Sumit, you gave a different kind of statement. You delivered a different kind of statement in front of Mr. Ganesh that I'm teasing him. In what manner you have been with him for 3.5 years, and you observed me. You took because 1 year, 1.5 year back, I started my Indian 9
You
batch.
don't understand my motto, so why?
I didn't understand your motto. Can you just make me understand? Fast. बोलो जल्दी बोलो fast.
मैं प्रॉपर इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए मतलब प्रॉपर यही नहीं चाहता कि 2 महीने में इंग्लिश सीख जाऊँ.
I am not talking about your motto यार. मैं कुछ और पूछ रहा हूँ. Please, please. Keep your mouth shut. चलो. ये I'm asking something else. I'm asking something else.
Regarding me.
हाँ, I'm asking something else. I'm asking when she was wrong in English. Okay, if we are in front of the camera, okay. I'm asking you in what manner you said this thing that I'm teaching him. I mean, you have been with me since my first class. Okay, since my first class you have been with me. And now you are acting in this manner. I'm teaching somebody in a class.
No, that's not just some misinformation campaign which I...
This is not a information campaign, man. This is something which you wanted to do. It's a will.
No, I think
First
that...
will.
No, I think that what you said that after that it is on level that he is with me. So I think it's just a pot shot which...
This time, खुशी ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है। क्या काम कर रहे हो? इसे बंद कर दो। हाँ।
So I think that you are just pot shooting on him because you just said that he is
attention देगा ना, उसका confidence level बढ़ाता है। लगता है कि आप उसे encourage करें। And this the whole world में is like a mirror, पता है आपको? पता होगा? जैसा ही मिलेगा। बूमरैंग पता है ना? Take care of it.
Okay, so that was my mistake and I am admitted my mistake.
Okay, that was a mistake.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm feeling happy. Okay. Sumit, you have been with me since 1.5 years. You have seen a lot of students in a batch. आपने बहुत सारे students देखे मेरे क्लास में. ये batch भी देख रहे हैं. इससे पहले भी कई batch आए थे जिसमें हमारे बहुत सारे students रहे थे और we participated in the morning also. You have seen, if I'm not wrong, you have seen more than 100 students in this tenure. Am I right? More than 100. So what I'm saying is that because you have been seeing me since 1.5 years. So first of all, I want I took my feedback earlier also. I want to ask for that. I wanted to ask you a very straightforward question regarding that. In the last batch, our staff performance, like the staff children and some other performance, you performed fantabulously in front of the people, in front of the cameras. I wanted to ask you this that the level of this institution, level of taking English classes, because I haven't taken that earlier also. I have been taking this for 2.5 years. I experienced a lot. Right. So you wanted to suggest something, you wanted to let me know something, you wanted to give something which will be valuable for me, something which you wanted to say, which I really need for that.
What I want to say, if you are talking about the study that in the institution, how you are teaching us, so it is just a fantabulous that in which manner you are teaching us, it's just a very good that because you are teaching us with your whole spirit and enthusiastic, you are so enthusiastic and I like you and I like your spirit. And second one, I will give you a feedback and I will told about your weakness, about your routine life that you are so lazy because I listened to it many times by sir, by me. Also when I went up just to taking the charger, I also listened by man that you are so lazy. So I want to say that you should not be just a lazy, you should be a disciplined person. You also admitted yesterday that you are most indisciplined person.
I will be lazy. I Okay, apart from that, please sit down. You wanted to say something regarding the election campaigning, or this is something which is going on? This ridiculous thing?
You suppose
Aam Aadmi Party?
you suppose
The corporate level issues also, yeah. We have been discussing the personal issues. It's not good. You know, we must be professional also. We are living in a corporate world in the 21st century where we are living in a metropolitan city. We have all the facilities, so we must facilitate our corporate level issues also. Am I right? We must use the words also. And apart from that, you must be professional. You know about this professionalism? You must have professionalism by discussing some kind of issues with your friends, with your colleagues and all these. Then you will be able to make yourself feel good from your heart, inside from your heart. It doesn't mean that, you know, and it's a lot by eating banana and drinking milk. It will not come. Okay? Banana और केले का मतलब केले और दूध नहीं होए ये पढ़ाई करने का भी होगा लाइफ स्टूडेंट I'm not asking you
दूध और केले की
Ganesh na Ganesh Panpal you know after seeing Ganesh na you know I used to recognize my previous friend which the name was my friend was Martin the name of my friend was Martin तो उसी में ऐसी तो इनको देख के ना स्टूडेंट क्या होती है बट इनको देख के कभी कभी हल्का मन करता है you know the face of you know similarly matches with the friend तो अच्छा लगा भैया तो मैं yes ma'am.
Okay, I just want to talk about some political news that which come out that the AAP, Aam Aadmi Party, that this is allegation on Aam Aadmi Party that it is just an allegation that he just in the name of fund he just did a lot of corruption and it's just a fund without any taxes and they are saying that in the regime operation this is being said that it is just a black money which they collect. This is not a fund. But now after this news come out that AAP saw those footage that which in this footage we can say that there is no hand of the AAP, Aam Aadmi Party and the member of Aam Aadmi Party because there was some doctored compact this was the declared means something was deleted and something was edited on that CD. So I want to say there is no authenticity of this, there is no veracity of this. So I want to say that Aam Aadmi Party is okay. I can't say it with the guarantee because
Mr. Dinesh, you have an idol now that you will speak like that. He's the Kaya Palla. He did Kamera, he's the Kaya Palla. He did the labor and now he's speaking fluently. You can also. Okay, and I want everybody to step out in this country. Outside from us. Yeah, if you will do labor, you will be right. But as per my understanding, you are not right. Okay, sit down. Please, put your hands together. सारी चांद 3 ताली बजा दो ढंग से ताली बजा दो this is not it's not the please यार how to ताली बजाना no ऐसे वो मेरे से सिखा दिया apart from that please इधर क्या लगा मुझे दी yeah I'm gonna take you into notes first of all you rock here जाना तो सभी को है हाँ कोई बात नहीं पास चलो खड़े हो प्लीज व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम रिकॉर्डिंग इनके ढंग से करना इनका चेहरा पूरा आना चाहिए सामने ठीक है व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम
माय नेम सोहन शर्मा
अच्छा तो यू केम हियर टू लर्न इंग्लिश राइट आप यहाँ पे आए हैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए क्या पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं
ग्रामर
ग्रामर कर रहे हैं ठीक है टेंशन मत सुनाइए मुझे शुरू कीजिए टेंशन जूम कर लेना कैमरे को मैं दिखाना कर रहा हूँ या टेंशन शुरू कीजिए नहीं सिखाया गया आपको टेंशन नहीं कराया गया आपको यहाँ पे अच्छा कराया गया है तो सुनो शुरू करो
टेंस काल होते हैं
कितने होते हैं
टेंस काल
अच्छा टेंस काल होते हैं आगे
there are three types of tense present tense past tense and future tense present tense present tense, present tense,
मतलब ये जिस हिसाब से आपकी मेहनत चल रही है, मैं आपसे एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ बहुत ही सीधे साधे वे में, कि जिस हिसाब से आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं और जिस हिसाब से आपकी मेहनत चल रही है, एक सेकेंड, आपका नाम चलना चाहूंगा सुनना। आप एक अंदर बैठ जाइए और एक सीट बैठ जाइए, ठीक है, हवा को मिला लेंगे। फ्रेंड्स हैं आपके, ब्रदर है, सही परफॉर्मेंस देने आए थे, बिल्कुल तो बुलाओ प्लीज, बुलाना 1 मिनट, क्या नाम था? नाम बताता मुकुल, मुकुल आओ बैठो सर। आप लोग भैया की परफॉर्मेंस दिखाते हैं कितना पढ़ते हैं यहाँ पे, बैठो। हाँ जी, तो मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने आपको टेंसेस क्लियर करवाए थे सारे, इंडेफिनिट क्लियर करवाया था, कंटीन्यूअस क्लियर करवाया था, अपने साथ बैठा के परफेक्ट क्लियर करवाया था, परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस क्लियर करवाया था। उसके बाद भी यू नो यू आर परफॉर्मिंग लाइक दिस, सो हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट? कौन इस चीज के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल? आप इस तरीके से इम्प्रूव करेंगे, और अगर इस तरीके से इम्प्रूव करेंगे, अगर ये गाड़ी की स्पीड चलती रहेगी तो कब आप पहुंचेंगे वहां तक जहां तक आपको पहुंचना चाहिए? आंसर दीजिए मुझे इस चीज का। आप इस तरीके से परफॉर्म करेंगे, देयर आर 4 टाइप ऑफ टेंसेस, काल देयर आर 4 टाइप ऑफ टेंसेस, आप इस तरीके से परफॉर्म करेंगे। अब तक तो आपको टेंसेस टिप्स मिल जाने चाहिए। कितने दिन हो गए आपको करते हुए? 3 वीक्स हो गए, ठीक है, यानी कि 21 डेज हो गए। सबने मना किया बताने के लिए कोई चीज? कभी मैंने मना किया कभी कोई चीज बताने के लिए? मैम ने मना किया कभी कोई चीज बताने के लिए? ऐसी कोई चीज है जो आपसे पूछी जा रही है और आपको बताई जा रही है? कुछ ऐसा आपको ढंग से समझाया नहीं गया हो, ऐसा है? आपको उसकी हिंदी में बताई गई हो, ऐसा है? तो फिर कमी कहाँ पे है? आपकी लेबर में कमी है ना? आप रिवाइज नहीं करते हैं जाके, लेबर नहीं करते हैं, तो कौन करेगा उसको? ये भी तो लड़का है, ये भी तो बोल रहा है ना आपके सामने, बोल रहा है नहीं बोल रहा? आपको ऐसे बनना है नहीं बनना? ऐसे बनोगे स्पीड से, आगे से मेहनत होगी, परफॉर्मेंस होगी, हर तीसरे दिन लगा दूंगा कैमरा, बता रहा हूँ, और हर तीसरे दिन आपको फैमिली परफॉर्मेंस दिखाऊंगा, सीरियसली कह रहा हूँ। मुझे परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए हर हालत के अंदर, एट एनी कॉस्ट। क्लियर? घर पे जाके रिपोर्ट दे दीजिएगा पापा को, ठीक है? बता दीजिएगा कि इनकी परफॉर्मेंस क्या आ रही है, ठीक है? और प्लीज बी सिंसियर एंड बी सीरियस, ठीक है? जो चीज समझ नहीं आती मेरे से 100 बार पूछो, पर जब मैं पूछूं तो मुझे आंसर मिलना चाहिए उस चीज का। जब मैं पूछूं तो फिर ये मेरे से बात सामने ना आए, भैया मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, ठीक है? क्योंकि मेरे पूछने में बताया जाता है ना कि भैया मेरी चीज समझ में नहीं आई, तो फिर वो गलत लगता है। जब मैं आपको 10 बार बताता हूँ तो मुझे रिजल्ट चाहिए फिर उसके बाद। मैंने आपको एक चीज बताई थी ना, बिल्कुल हिंदी में बताई थी ना, एक चीज खुद बिठा के समझाई थी ना, उसके बाद भी नहीं आ रहा। मोहन स्कूल जाता है, कैसे बनाएंगे फिर?
मोहन गो टू स्कूल,
ठीक है? मोहन गो टू स्कूल, एसओडीएस बताया था ना इसमें, अफर्मेटिव में लगता है, क्यों नहीं हुआ? रिवाइज नहीं हुआ, रिवाइज कौन करेगा? भैया काम है, भैया की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमें क्लेम करेंगे, हम पढ़ाई थोड़ी करेंगे, है ना? आज बार होनी चाहिए, प्रॉमिस करो पढ़ाई होगी आज बार, नहीं होगी? होगी, बैठो। हाँ जी खुशी जी, प्लीज करो दिए आप, ये पहुंचा देना चाहिए, ठीक है? बता देना कि ऐसे परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हैं और इन्होंने वादा किया कैमरे के सामने कि ये इम्प्रूव करेंगे फिर, ठीक है? अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, मुझे थोड़ी खिलाई
भैया